Hi YouTube. I had this bomb video prepared for y'all, but one problem, I forgot to hit record, so I gotta do this video all over again. But anywho, I did some swatches. I did some swatches of a few products I got. I can't remember if I bought this or if I or not. I think I might have bought it, but who cares? Who cares? They're by Quebess. And they're these cute, ultra tall for a Quebess product, in my opinion. But these are like lightweight highlighters. They're liquid highlighters. Whoa, wait a minute. Get them all under your hair, mama. They're by Quebess. And you got your number 4. You know what? Come back where I had that. Okay. Number 4. You got your number 4 Pearlia. And I do have swatches on my arm from when I thought I was recording. So yeah, that's number 4 Pearlia. Back in the pockets here. And this is the number 8 Gold Pink, my favorite. That's a personal favorite. I just got these, but I'm already more impartial to the last 2. I'm not really a white highlighter type person. I like gold, and I like, like a lavender. And this is the number 4. The number 4. The number 4 Pearlia. This is Pearlia. I didn't show y'all the right one. I'm sorry. And this is number 7. The last one is Shine. Yes, honey. This is Shine. You're going to shine bright and far. Don't forget to be a star now. Anywho. Okay. But this is some swatches I did. This is Pearlia. If I know for a fact, because it's a little lackluster in my opinion, but that's not, I don't think it's not a good color. I personally just do not like white highlighters, but I'll give it a try, maybe in the next few days. But this is my favorite. This is my favorite. Just look at that color, honey. That's gold pink. That's gold pink. And baby, look. Baby, she gonna have you just glowing all over the place, okay? You gonna be glowing. My lips are feeling. And this is Shine. Every time, it's funny because it just makes me want to when I hear Shine, it's like, Eve's great, no matter where she goes, dress her out. Okay, I'm sorry. Anyways, my childhood is showing. But these are the swatches. What do you guys like? I think gold, pink is the best, and then Shine, then Pearlia. That's what I think. I think in that order, it's like middle, first, and then last. Cause I love it. Like Pearlia is okay. But the pink gold on a nice summer day when you at the beach, you with your boo, you with bae, and you have, you highlight, you hear, you just glowing. That sun hitting you just right. It's just like, ooh, child. Okay. But yes, and then there's Shine. Shine is like, you on a little nice little day. You're not trying to put out all your, you're not trying to put it all out on the table, but it's like, you see me. Yes, it's like, yes, I have a cute face. Yes. Okay, but what y'all think about these? I love them. I think they're a good product. And thank you, Diamond Beauty, for sending me these. Or if I paid you, who cares? Because I love them. And I'm definitely going to try them. And I might actually try to wear, which one gold pink? Because I might put that on right now. Y'all think I'm funny. I'm going to try this gold pink on right now. I know I just slide mine down my nose, but where's mine? There it is. I don't carry a purse, guys. And it smells so sweet. Okay, kind of get that right there. had makeup on, it'll look better, but I like it. I might do my makeup today, y'all. It might be a little late, but I'm doing my makeup. Forget that. Shoot, I'm doing my makeup. And my son just brought me this bomb package when I thought I was recording. So let's open this up and see what it is. And this is from Seltzer? Seltzer? I don't know, but that's weird. Ooh, but they're from the same place as Diamond Beauty. Well, they ship from the same place. Okay. Oh, okay. I know what this is. I actually bought this because my last one broke and I desperately needed it. Thank God. Because I like, when I do my nails, I like to kind of drill the inside of the well a little bit and then drill a little bit on my fingers to get the shine off. That way, I just feel like a normal nail file doesn't cut it for me. Because they effectively just wear out over time. Let's see what we got in here. Oh, snap. Okay, we got us a little, you know, you got your instructions. I already know how to use it, so blah. Okay, and then you got your charger. I think my old one may fit. And then I got my different things. You know, I got my different things here. I forgot what each one's for. I know this one's for buffering. One of these, I think these two are for like your cuticles and stuff. And then you got those nail drill bits at the bottom. And then the piece de resistance. You have your drill. It's a little lighter and smaller than my last one, which is so much better. And hopefully this lasts me a few years. Because effectively I had my other one since my son Jeffrey was like 1. So these do tend to last a while. It's actually really lightweight. I suck at throwing, so don't blame me. The button's actually a lot easier to press on this one. Yep, it still twists off. Okay, this is nice. 100 to 240 volts. 50 to 60 hertz. Okay, manicure and for manicures and pedicures. I knew one of these was for manis and pedis. Okay. Multi-use carving, engraving, routing, grinding, sharpening, sanding, polishing, drilling, and more. Accepts all rotary tools, so that's actually good. It's lightweight for precision operation. Easy to use, any position, double insulated, double bearing design, and variable speed. Okay, thank God. Got my new baby, y'all. I'm so happy. But y'all definitely check this seller out as well. I will leave the link to both of these in the description below. And if there is a code, y'all know I'm going to make sure y'all know it. Especially for my girls who do nails and, you know, because all that product does cost a lot. I will definitely leave the code for this. And I'll leave the code for the other stuff too. See, the white kind of mixed. See, it rubbed off. But you know what? After making it, I don't know. I still like to go. But anywho, definitely get this and get the Quebest highlighters. I think they're bomb, especially this gold one. When I do my makeup, if I do it today, I'll take a picture and I'll upload it to my Instagram. That way you guys can see how it looks with makeup on and not with my just bare face self. Okay, but I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.